everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today, just like the title says, I'm gonna be unboxing my November Essential Rewards order. So if you don't know what Essential Rewards is, this is only my second month back of unboxing these. I had unboxed them for a year, but I had some issues with the videos with compliance because I'm also a Young Living distributor. And so there are things that you are not allowed to say about health products. So I had to end up privating a lot of those videos, which is a bummer, but I'm back and I'm excited to share with you guys everything that I got. Ignore this weird, like, I didn't really know how to like avoid that, so you're just gonna have like some weird light shining through. I don't have a huge Essential Rewards order this month, and to everyone that does not know what Essential Rewards is, it's a subscription service each month where you get a wellness box sent to your door that you get to curate with all of the products that you choose. And by being involved in this like monthly auto ship wellness program, even though you get to fully curate what you get, you also receive free products every month, and you receive points on the website to spend kind of like cash for more free products. So I really love it, and this month I'm excited because even though my order isn't huge, I got some things that in particular I'm just like really excited to try. So this is the first month where I did not purchase Ningxia in my Essential Rewards haul because, or order, because over Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Ningxia was drastically on sale. So I was like, I'm gonna stock up, it was, I think 20%. I'm gonna stock up now and then like not order any in my ER order. So that's what I did. So you will see no Ningxia today. So I'm gonna start off with, I'll just randomly start unboxing things, and I'll tell you which things are like my free products. They call them promos, and which ones are the ones that I ordered. So, okay, first thing, tea tree oil. Yes, I purchased tea tree oil because tea tree oil is one of Dan's favorite essential oils, and I have really grown to love it recently even more. Not only for diffusing, but also because I've been adding it to my laundry. I've been putting it on little wool balls when I dry clothes. I've been putting it in my washing machine. I've been adding it to my Thieves natural cleaner that also comes from Young Living, and it's just really awesome. So I got that. For free as a promo, I got some lemongrass Vitality. Yummy, yummy. Yeah, I don't really have much to say about that. I like lemongrass, and yeah, I got that for free. So next product in here, more oils. Yes, okay, so I ordered some more lemon because I actually had a mistake where I like popped the lid off of a bottle of lemon and I forgot, and then I opened it up one day and I went to put it in my diffuser and I dumped the whole bottle out. So I was running low on lemon, so I purchased another bottle, same thing, diffusing. I will sometimes put this in my lotion, although I don't do that all the time, for my face. You do have to be careful when you do that though, because citrus oils can make your skin very sensitive to light. So if I do that, it's only at night. And I put this in my Thieves cleaner once again. Sometimes I'll add it like down the dishwashing disposal or garbage disposal. Yeah, lemon. And then this was free. This is a 5 milliliter blend of Joy, which I will probably be giving away. I'll probably be giving this away and lemongrass because I don't need either of these. I have a full bottle of Joy, and I don't think I'll be going through it like crazy fast to where I'll need this as a backup. I like having a big collection, but I like also giving stuff away, so we'll see. Okay, next up, I know what oils I'm like looking for because I'm really excited for some of them because I was all out. Okay, one of my top favorite oils is Tangerine. I love Tangerine so much. I love taking the Vitality Tangerine and adding that to sparkling water, and it makes like a tangerine soda. By the way, Vitality blends, if you didn't know, are the oils that are labeled for ingestion. So I will take that, I'll put it in, like I said, sparkling soda. Diffusing citrus oils, I'm so basic. That's my favorite. I love diffusing citrus oils. And then for free, I got white angelica, and let me show you. I have definitely smelled white angelica before, but I don't remember it, and I know people love it, and I've been wanting to get it, so let's see. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Yeah, this is amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and read. I feel like there's geranium in this. Let's see what's in here. With your blends, you can just peel back the label if you don't see what's in here and it'll be there. So this is bergamot oil, myrrh, geranium, I know I smelled geranium, sandalwood, and ylang-ylang, coriander, black spruce, melissa oil, hyssop oil, and rose oil. This, oop, I laid that sticker down the wrong way. Yeah, this smells amazing. Oh, yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. So, this was free if I didn't mention that this month. I'm still waiting to unbag the oil that I'm the most excited to restock in my collection. Is it gonna be here? Yes! My Bay Northern Lights Black Spruce. I love this smell so much, and other than citrus blends or citrus oils, this is one of my other favorite oils to diffuse. It's definitely my favorite, like, woodsy tree scent to diffuse. I love it so much. And mixing this with like a tangerine and a lavender at night, or this with Valor, which is my favorite blend of all time, which I also did not get this month because I bought like 5 Valors on sale during Black Friday. But I love this stuff so much. So, and then I think I have a couple more oils in here, and then I have some things that are not oils. Yes, okay, this was free this month. It was a promo, and that is pine. And I like pine a lot too. Northern Lights Black Spruce, Bay, but pine, oh my gosh. So I got last month a Young Living diffuser ornament, and this is definitely what I'll be diffusing the entire month of December in there, because this is everything. So I'll probably just keep it up on my little like table next to the diffuser, have it near the ornament. Yeah, very exciting times, people. Okay. Now, on to all things that are not just straight oils. First off, Clariderm. So let me just tell you, people use Clariderm for irritated skin. I know a lot of new moms use Clariderm for their lady parts, and I actually use Clariderm on my face, and it lasted me so long. This stuff is not super cheap because of the oils that are in it, but I only need like a couple spritz. It's super oily, like your face will be oil-tastic when you use this, but I like it. And when I ran out, I was missing it. So I'm super happy to have this back. And another facial product, the Young Living, I don't know why I said that, the whole thing is Young Living, acne treatment. This stuff, so they say that it helps with blackheads. I can't really speak to that. I still get blackheads, like nothing seems to fix my blackheads on my nose. But I'm still putting it on there because I've heard it can take a while to slough away all of the dead skin cells in general when you're using a blackhead treatment. But I can tell you this stuff has been amazing when I've had breakouts. Like, it has either stopped it from coming up, which also I will say just using lavender by itself does the same thing for me. But sometimes I feel like, okay, I really need an extra kick, and this will pretty much stop it or make it go away faster. And it's a tiny little bottle, but the last tube, I thought I was gonna be out like 2 months ago. I kept thinking, I'm almost out, I have to reorder a new bottle. And I wasn't. And I've actually experienced that with quite a few Young Living products where I'm like, that's it? Oh my gosh, I'm almost out. And then it just like keep lasting and lasting and lasting. It's very bizarre. So I actually won't be opening this right now because I still have more left, even though I thought I'd be out for sure. But yeah, I'm excited. Next up, I got something, I'm saving the thing that I'm the most excited to try for last, by the way. But this is something that I love from Young Living, and they've been sold out for months, and so I'm excited that it's back. It's their Lavender Mint shampoo, and I love it, not only because it does a great job at cleaning my hair, and I like that it's got essential oils in it. It smells amazing. It makes your scalp feel all tingly. But yeah, actually that was it. That was all I was gonna say. After this, I like using their Vanilla Copaiba conditioner because the Vanilla Copaiba conditioner smells like vanilla birthday cake. And so the combo of like the tingly and the lavender, which is calming, and then adding the vanilla, like it's an experience, and I'm super happy that this is back in stock. Side note, I'm totally drinking a Ningxia soda right now, which is really just Ningxia dumped in sparkling water, and it's amazing and so refreshing and just everything. Then I didn't actually realize I got 2 bags. I thought I got 1 bag, but it's fine because I'll use it. This is the einkorn rotini pasta. Supposedly, einkorn is more of an ancient grain, a wheat grain that has not been altered as much as wheat has here in the States. And supposedly it's lower in gluten, non-GMO, no preservatives, stone ground ancient grain. It tastes really good. And when I actually made this for Dan is pretty picky about his pasta. Like, he's the kind of fool that makes his own pasta from scratch. I don't literally mean fool, I meant fool like Foolio, homie, like that. And he doesn't like a lot of the weird pastas I buy, but he liked this, so that says something. And then last but not least, guys, this is the thing that I'm the most excited to try, and I'll tell you why. So I ordered a eyeshadow palette from Savvy Minerals, which is their mineral makeup line. And I'm excited because I like the idea of trying and using some of their like non-toxic makeup products, but I haven't really liked any of the products that I've tried from Savvy Minerals yet. I'm very hopeful because I think just like any company, when you just start something, it's like there's kind of a learning process and you adapt and figure things out. So I'm hopeful for it, but I just personally haven't liked any of the Savvy Minerals products yet. But when I saw this on the site, I was like, why do I have a feeling that I'm gonna love that? So I hope I'm right. I'll show you what I got. This is like the packaging, it's just basic and black. And you open it, once again, basic black packaging. Here are, is this gonna focus? The colors. I think that that's focused. When I saw this, I just for some reason had this feeling that I was gonna love these colors. I feel like they're gonna be really pretty against my eyes. I can finally swatch them now that I'm on camera. I opened the packaging and looked, but I didn't swatch them. I'm nervous. Oh, holy Toledo. Look at how pigmented that is. I did not expect that. Let me just kind of swap that. Whoa, dude, that is crazy pigmented. Okay, yes. Let me do this little swatch on there. Cool, can you see that? I'm gonna do the bronze, like it's kind of like a, okay. So that definitely swatched lighter on my arm. Let's see here. All right, yes, this is like a rusty color. And then last but not least, we have this like kind of taupey color. Yes, it's like a silver taupe. Wow. Okay, yeah, that's pretty. That's very light, but I like it. So here were the swatches. I'm gonna come closer. I didn't expect to do that. So this is not like very professional looking. And honestly, it's gonna be different, obviously, going from a brush onto your skin, but that's kind of what we're looking at. They're all shimmer shadows, by the way, I should have said that. I'm super excited to actually try these on my eyes, and I'll probably put them on tomorrow when I do my makeup. So I will report back somewhere, probably on Instagram, probably on my oils page on Instagram, how I like this, but I have a feeling I'm really gonna like them because these are all colors that I'm really vibing on right now. And it was really hard for me to pick this palette, or they have another palette, but I decided on this one because the other one I was like, are those colors too light? Am I gonna like spend the money and not even feel like I needed those? I don't know, I was just torn. So I'm super excited. And that's it, guys. That's the end of my haul. So if you are interested in any of these products, or you just want more information about Young Living, Essential Rewards, all that jazz, feel free to send me a DM on my oils account. I'll have that link down below. It's at For Your Life's Essentials. And that's it. So I hope you guys are having a good day, and I will talk to you, see you on the internet very soon. All right, bye guys.